Hi garden friends, I'm Mel with Succy Crafts and welcome to my garden. So today I'll be teaching you how to make this succulent arrangement. Welcome to my garden. So today I'll be making a succulent arrangement in this green marbled planter that I've used over and over again. It's probably a 5-inch planter. And I'll be using 3 varieties of succulents, one being the Senecio string of bananas, so it can fall over the planter. I'll be kind of following the thriller, filler, spiller kind of effect in this arrangement. I also have Echeveria Fleur Blanc, nice blue rosette, beautiful succulent, and another rosette style, which is an Aeonium kiwi. And it's even pupping. It has 2 pups on the side of it. Very beautiful. So I'll start off by putting in my succulent soil. All the way to the top. There we go. And I'll start with my Aeonium kiwi. And I'll put that towards the back. They need a lot of space to grow. So I tend to either put them towards the back of the planter or on the rim so they spill over. And I'll take some out of here. It's a little too much. Now go on now with the Senecio string of bananas, and I'll get a little of that root system off. I'll kind of rip it off. Won't hurt the plant. I'm just trying to make space in my planter here. Do one right there. And I don't think I'll be using both of them. Thought I could. Fill in the spaces just to make sure that you cover those roots. And I'll finish it off with the Fleur Blanc. Make a well in there just so the stem can go in all the way into the soil, completely submerged deep in there. I'll finish it off with some top dressing. Little by little. I'll cover wherever I can see soil, basically. I'll put some stones in. And even towards the back. All right. And to brush my succulents, I use a makeup brush. It's a blush brush. And it's a perfect little tool to dust them off. And that's all really. So you get the little spiller effect right at the rim with the bananas. Got that thriller, which is a Fleur Blanc. And then this will eventually grow taller and fill in the space. And in this case, in this arrangement, I'm using the kiwi as a thriller and filler. And I hope you like it. Thank you.